Hi everyone, Leah here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com with another new product spotlight video for you. Before I get started, just a quick reminder to go check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button and notification bell and you'll always know when we're posting new content. So what I'm here showing you today is a product spotlight for the new Swarovski DeLite colors that were just released as the newest innovations. We have 5 beautiful new colors to show you. Here they are in a 14mm Rivoli, but we are also carrying all of these colors in a 12mm Rivoli as well as an 8mm Chaton. So depending on what your project is, hopefully we can satisfy those beading needs of yours. The first color I'm going to highlight for you is Sunshine Delight, which is just the happiest color I think I've ever seen. It's going to be fantastic for spring if you need a great buttercup yellow. It has a beautiful hint of white inside from the way that the light refracts. So this one is just very bright and cheery, and I think it's going to be a yellow that pairs very well with other bright fun colors. So definitely going to want to grab some of this if you're looking for super bright colors for the coming warm weather. Next, we have Lavender Delight. This is a stunning light purple. Inside, you're going to see some hints of almost a light sapphire blue that are being reflected throughout the crystal among the overall purple, light purple tone. These Delight colors, by the way, they are the lacquered back for the underside. And the finishes inside really are just absolutely stunning. I hope you can see them as well as I do in the video, how incredibly sparkly they are. And their iridescence is from inside. So you're still, you have a crystal without a finish on the outside. So you're really able to just dive right into them. They really are beautiful. Speaking of diving right into a crystal, this one is Laguna Delight. So I absolutely love the name. And in fact, this one's my favorite out of the 5 new colors because I'm a big green fan, especially a teal fan. And this really is a beautiful, like true teal. And it has a lovely bluish hue inside as you see it moving around in the light, as you can see. Truly does remind you of some tropical water somewhere warm. So I'm a big, big fan of this one. Again, this one is Laguna Delight. Next, we have Peach Delight. And this one is another one that's going to be so fantastic for spring. It is such a lovely soft orange. And I know orange is a color that's really tough for people. But this is a lovely soft, almost orange sherbet type orange. So it's not bright, it's not garish. It really is quite lovely and pastel. And I think it would go really beautiful with other pastels if you're looking for something to add a little touch of orange to whatever you're making this season. Again, a little bit of a icy purple inside, actually. If you really look close, the light that gets reflected inside it's almost like a slight icy purple. Again, the iridescence is just stunning on these. And lastly, for the Delights, we have Ocean Delight. And lovely, lovely blue. It's a nice medium blue. It's almost sort of similar to sapphire or light sapphire, but it's right in between. It's not quite as dark and not quite as light. It's a beautiful medium blue. And inside is a lovely purpley haze to it in that iridescence. So of course this would pair amazingly with different purples. But that beautiful sparkle inside, I think that purple just pairs wonderfully with that overall blue tint to this Rivoli. Absolutely love these. Again, all lacquered backs. Lastly, what I have to show you, this is not one of the Swarovski innovations, but it is a new fun item. This is Aquamarine Gold Patina. This particular Rivoli is a 14mm Rivoli. And it's an actual aquamarine Rivoli, but then it's been given this lovely textured gold patina on top. It really has a stunning high-end look to it. I won't lie. I hope the camera can pick it up as beautiful as I'm seeing it here in person. But that aquamarine shows through just subtly with a beautiful blue haze from underneath. And then with that gold patina, you get such a lovely speckled finish that really just sets itself apart from some of the other Rivolis. And this one does happen to be a foil back. So I hope you like what you've seen here today. Again, head on over to EurekaCrystalBeads.com for everything I've shown you, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.